Hey guys, it's Mad Chen here. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, we'll be looking at some of the best fonts. Stick around until the end of the video to see what's currently trending. Whether you're a graphic designer, web developer, or just someone who loves typography, you're going to find something here that you'll love. Welcome back everyone. Fonts are an essential part of any design project, and choosing the right font can greatly impact the overall look and feel of your work. Fonts can convey a wide range of emotions and attitudes, from playfulness to professionalism. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the best, latest, and most popular fonts that are currently trending among designers. All of the fonts in today's video are free for commercial use. However, before using a font, be sure to verify its terms. So now let's get on with the list. First up is Habanero. If you're looking for something playful, you might want to check out Habanero. This whimsical, dramatic display font can enhance any design, which is perfect for children's books, invitations, and anything else that needs a touch of fun and creativity. Since the style is clean and audacious, it's suitable for headlines, logos, and branding. Although this font only has one style and one weight, Habanero does contain uppercase, lowercase, numbers, punctuation, symbols, and also provides multilingual support. Next, we have Valverde, a versatile and highly legible font which provides a variety of vintage looks. This makes it great for a wide range of design applications. Its clean and balanced design makes it perfect for body text, while its various weights and styles make it a popular choice for headlines and titles. Valverde is a super serif family containing 4 styles with 9 weights each. Then we have Habel, a modern sans serif hand-drawn font with an imperfect flow that's unique and natural, making it perfect for clean, minimalistic designs. Its simple yet elegant lines make it ideal for logos, headlines, and body text alike. Although this font only has one weight, Habel does contain uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, and a few symbols. For a more bold and dramatic look, I recommend Taruno Wide, an expanded display font with a dose of futurism. It's perfect for attention-grabbing headlines and titles. Its expressive design and unique letter forms make it a popular choice for posters, advertising, and other high-impact designs. Taruno Wide consists of 6 weights and an outline version, plus matching italics. Finally, there's Asikue, a soft serif font family with 10 styles of chunky retro-inspired typography. This fun and quirky font is perfect for posters, advertising, logos, and other designs that need a touch of whimsy. Asikue consists of 10 styles from regular to extra bold, with each matching oblique. This font contains uppercase, lowercase, numerals, punctuations, and provides multilingual support. These are just a few examples of the many amazing fonts that are currently trending among designers. I encourage you to experiment with today's fonts and see which of these fonts work best for your projects and your personal style. I'll be leaving the links to those fonts in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.